Hi all, this is Kavya from class 10 here with the bucket project from the concept frustum of cone from the lesson surface areas and volumes. This is the bucket we are going to use for this project. These are the measurements we are going to do with this bucket. So now let's measure the parameters, the upper diameter, bottom diameter, slant height and height. So first let's measure the upper diameter. We are going to measure in centimeter. So take the centimeter side and upper diameter is 18 centimeter. So let's mark it as 18 centimeter and bottom diameter is 12 centimeter and slant height is 18 centimeter and height. For height, let's take a scale and in this center point keep the scale. Then keep your hands like this and mark the point. I am getting 17 centimeter. So the height is 17 centimeter. Now we will be finding the PSA of the bucket. PSA is the plastic surface area. So PSA is equal to CSA plus BSA. Curved surface area plus bottom surface area. So the curved surface area of frustum of cone is pi L into R1 plus R2 and bottom surface area is pi R2 square. So as we got the parameter measurements, D1 is 18 cm, D2 is 12 cm, L is 18 cm and H is 17 cm. We will proceed with this. Now we are going to find the plastic surface area, that is plastic surface area of the bucket. So as the bucket is in the shape of frustum, we will use the frustum of cone formula. So plastic surface area, that is total surface area, is curved surface area plus bottom surface area. So let's write PSA is equal to CSA plus BSA. CSA formula is pi L into R1 plus R2 and bottom surface area, that is circle surface area, is pi R square. So let's keep it as R2 square. So this is the formula. Let's substitute the values. Pi into 18 into R1. So we are needing radius. So let's change it into radius. The diameter 1, that is 18 centimeter. In radius we will be getting 9 centimeter. And the diameter 2, that is 12 by 2 is equal to 6 centimeter. So we have arrived the radius as 6 and 9. So now it will be easy for us to substitute here. So pi into 18, that is slant height is 18 centimeter, R1 is 9 centimeter plus R2 is 6 centimeter plus again pi. We can substitute the value of pi at the last and R2 is 6. So 6 the whole square. So 80 pi into 18 into 9 plus 6 is 15 plus 36 pi, that is 6 into 6, 36. 6 square is 36. 36 into pi, 36 pi. Now 18 into 15 is 270. So 270 pi plus 36 pi. When we add, we are getting 306 pi. Now let's substitute the value of pi, that is I am using here 3.14. Then 306 into 3.14. When we multiply this, we are getting 960.84 centimeter square. Therefore, the plastic surface area of the bucket is equal to 960.84 centimeter square. So now we have found the plastic surface area of this bucket. Here is the copy of the sum what we did before. Now we got the PSA as 960.84 centimeter square. As we can see, the plastic surface area, that is total surface area of the plastic needed to make such a small bucket. That small bucket I have taken is smaller than the normal bucket. It needed approximately 1000 centimeter square. Then just think about how much plastic needed to make a normal bucket for the whole world's population. As we are using a lot of plastic in our daily life, there is over accumulation of plastic. This leads to plastic pollution, which affects environment. The plastics are sticking around in the environment for ages and affects the wildlife and forest and spreads toxins. These plastic also contributes in the global warming. Almost all plastics are made from chemicals that come from the production of planet warming fuel. So let us try to avoid plastic buckets and rather try to use other than plastic items like steel bucket, which is not harmful for us.